So welcome back again to you all guys. So today I'm going to take an overview question part of Duolingo English test. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the read and select. Okay, this is the first part of Duolingo English test. Okay, in this question part, there are the real English word or unreal English word in the question, so we have to select a real English word. Okay, so if the word is real, then we have to select X yes, and if the word is not real English word, then we have to select no. So in the Duolingo English test, there are more than 2 or 3 times these question parts are repeated, so that is why this is the important question part of Duolingo English test, so to get good overall score. So let's start to discuss about the read and select. So I want to practice from here. Okay, so read and select. So in this test we have to select the English word is real or not. For example, I just wanna start here. Is this a real English word or not? So stop. So stop is real English or no? So for the first time, so if we going to take Duolingo English test, so before going to take official test, so we have to practice on these tips. So for example, if the this is the words the Duolingo given you, so stop, so then we have to first of all we have to read more than 2 times. Okay, then uh, after reading the sentence words stops, then we should go for watch out the spelling is correct or not. Okay, so then we should have to go for find out the incorrect forms, then we don't have to guess anymore from here. So that is why these tips helps to you guys to help to find out the real English word in Duolingo English test. So for example, stop. So stop is the real English word because the word is in a good spelling. STOPS, stops is a good spelling, and it means it brings or it carry the real meaning in in English. So that stop is real English word. So the next one, okay, next one is make loss. So is this a real English word? No. Yes, correct answer is no. So correct answer is no, but I haven't select it because I'm going to practice. I'm not going to take Duolingo English test, real Duolingo English test. This is the practice for you guys because it helps me, if it helps us to help get a good scores in real Duolingo English test. That is why I'm going to just take it as a practice. So this megalos is not real English word. Okay, so next one, BAME. BAME is no. Yes, so continue. Additions, of course this is real English word. Yes, addition is real English word, you know. Yes, cute, cute or George, I think this is not real English word. Okay, yes, correct answer is not no. Okay, this is not a real English word. Yeah, locking, L-A-U-K-I-N is locking, maybe not real English word. Yeah, answer is right answer is no. So salon, salon is real English word? No. Yes, right answer is no. And short C, short C not real English word. Yeah, yes, correct answer is yes, short C is a real English words. Yeah, short C is a real English word. Yes, short C. So Frowning is real English word. Frowning is real English word. Yes, correct answer is yes. So before going to select yes or no, so we have to follow some tips and tricks. Okay, so racing is a real English word, but racing is a real English word, but the in this word spelling is incorrect. Okay, so spelling is not correct, so that is why this is not a real English word. So practice complete. So I wanna go and done. So I wanna go for more practice. Again I wanna go for more practice. 1 out of 10. Okay, here Duolingo provide us 10 model questions, so I have complete one model question. Now this is 10 out of 2. So tomatoes, this is real English word. Tomatoes, yes, of course, real English word. Tomatoes is a real English word, so correct answer is also yes. Needed, yes, of course, this is real English word. Yes, I have selected yes. Aspects, yes, aspect is also real English word. Aspect is also real English word, of course. Continue from here. Carry on, carry on, carry on. See, carry on. Carry on is a real English word. Yes, carry on is a real English word. Yes. Do worry. Maybe no. No, maybe no, no. Yes, perfect. No. Stays. Yes, yes, real English word. Yes, correct answer is also yes. So toilet, maybe no toilet, but here is a toilet. Toilet. Yeah, this is the real English word. Yeah, got it. Maybe no. Dovies. Yes. Oh, dovies. No, this is not real English word. Dovies. Yes. Deadwood. Of course. So now go for the third one. This is the third model question. Okay, now I am in third one, so let's start. Grand call is not real English word. Yes, our right answer is no. Mint, mean and mint, no. Mint, yes, mint is real English word. Yeah. Toloi, maybe no. Solik, no. Yeah, correct answer is no. Mozor in English word, no. Chanting is real English word. Yes, correct answer is yes. And smaze is yes, correct answer is yes. Postulate, maybe yes. Wine seal, no. Maybe wine seal, yes, wine seal is real English. Yes. Intensifying, yes, of course, real English word. And now this is also done, so go for next one. There is the 4th out of 10 model question. 4th out of 10. If we practice from here, it helps us to complete or to take a real Duolingo English test. Okay, because super is yes, this is a real English word, of course, got it. Stores, no, this is not real English word. Supposed, yes, of course, supposed is real English word. Yes, of course, supposed. Unival, no. Unival, no. Correct answer is also no. Eternity, yes. Yes, correct answer is also yes. And necessitate, yes. Necessitate is a language, yes. Necessitate. Children, no. No, no, yes. Children is, yes, of course, children is real English word. Sandy, no. Educating, yes. Rejoiced, yes. But correct answer is no. Rejoiced, yeah, rejoiced. It doesn't mean in English. That is why that is not a real English word. So I'm gonna take the fifth model question for out of 10. Employed, yes. Employed is anyhow real English word. Next one is mothers, yes. Mother is also real English word because it brings some meanings in English. Okay. Purpose, yes. And Trommy, no. Trommy is no a real English word. Yeah, that is why no is a correct answer. Gargos, no. Proceeding, but yes, proceeding because spelling is right. Yes, that is why this is a real English word. Thank you, no. Election, election, no, because election is a right, but election means in English word, but the spelling is incorrect here. That is why this is not a real English word. Inhalitation, no. Towels, yes. It's also done. Now we move forward for the sixth model questions. Okay, read and select for sixth model question. So in this, splout, yeah, splout, yes. No, this is not real English word. Yeah, splout. Wrench, traveling, no. Outsick, outsick, yes, but no, this is not real English word. Correct answer is also no. So correct answer is no. Roasted, yeah, of course. Bores, continue. So for suppository, yes, of course, real English word. Sport, yes. Support is not, yeah, support, yes, but spelling is incorrect. Tamarind, no. Tamarind, yes. No. Seven, it's a seventh. Ticking, no. No, ticking is not really pointing, yes. Next one is build, yes. Wait, no. Build is not build, but spelling is incorrect. That is why this is not real English word. Yes, of course. Notate, color, no. will, recall, recall, no, yes, correct answer is recall is while pronounce recall is a real English word, but the spelling in this word is incorrect. That is why this is not a real English word. Diagonized, yes. Oh, diagonized. Ranging, yes. Gags, yeah, gags. The next one is about eighth. So sister, of course, real English word. Theta, of course, English word. Tested, of course, real English word. Shrunken, no. Shrunken, yes, bro. This is real English word. Why not? Pose and train, laminating, turn arounds, of course. Sidling, no. Yes, sidling, yes. Why not? No. Complete. Again, I want to go for again this practice this model question. Fire, continue. Feet, olive, microscopes, yes. Devino, no. Closing, yes. Recast, yes, recast, yes, this is correct. Revived, no. Correct answer is yes, revived it, revived it. Rinly, no. Bench, yes. Bench, but yeah, bench, bench, it bends. Why? Oh, yes, this spelling is incorrect. Done. And the last one, maybe, yes, last one is, so this is the last model question of select real English word. So word, yes, word is in real English word. Fagal, no. Enjoying, yes. Betty, no. Poops, yes. Poops, yeah, but spelling is not real. Okay, what? Spelling is not correct. That is why this is not real English word. Addy, yes. No. Grove, rival, correct is no. Facing, ranging, get done. So this is all about the read and select question. So this is the important question of Duolingo English test. So in the next video I will go for read and complete. Thank you.